श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम श्री हनुमद् भीम मध्वान्तर्गद रामकृष्ण वेद व्यासात्मक श्री लक्ष्मी हयग्रीवाय नमः। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अद श्रीमद् भगवद् गीता अध प्रथमोऽध्यायः अर्जुन विषाद योगः। योत्स्यमानान् अवेक्षेकं य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रिय-चिकीर्षवः। योत्स्यमानान्, those who have come to fight. Aveksheham, I desire to see. Ya, who. Et, those. Atra, here. Samāgatāḥ, assembled. Dhārtarāṣṭrasya, of Dhritarashtra's son. Durbuddhe, evil-minded. Yuddhe, in the fight. Priya-chikīrṣhavaḥ, wishing to please. Yotsyamānān avekṣhe ya etetra samāgatāḥ dhartarashtrasya durbuddheḥ yuddhe priya-chikīrṣhavaḥ. I desire to see those who have come here to fight on the side of evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra, wishing to please him. yotsyamānān avekshe ya etetra samāgatāḥ dhartarashtrasya durbuddheḥ yuddhe priya-chikīrṣhavaḥ. Arjun was fearless. The Supreme Lord was his charioteer. His outlook was that the Pandavas were legitimately entitled to half the kingdom of Hastinapur, but the wicked sons of Dhritarashtra, the Kauravas, had not agreed to share. Arjun was ready to battle, eager to get back what was rightfully theirs and punish them for their past wrongdoings. His request for the chariot to be placed in the middle of the battlefield was to take a look at the Kaurava army. Arjun wanted to see all those who had taken the side of injustice. He wanted to punish them equally as they had chosen to be on the wrong side. None of them would be spared. yotsyamānān avekshe ya etetra samāgataḥ dhartarashtrasya durbuddheḥ yuddhe priya-chikīrṣhavaḥ. Shri Hare Namah, Shri Hare Namah. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam, Govinda Govinda.